Hello everyone, my name is Rakshit and my topic is green building. So green building is one that use optimum resource and energy, conserve the natural resources, generate less waste and provide a healthy environment for occupants. Green building or green construction or sustainable building refers to a structure that uses process which is environmentally responsible and resource efficient throughout a building life cycle. Green building design aims at achieving a balance between sustainability needs and housing requirements. Objective of green building: reduced energy consumption without sacrificing the comfort level, reduce destruction of natural areas, habitat, biodiversity, and reduce soil loss from erosion, reduced air and water pollution, reduced water consumption, limited waste generation due to recycling and reuse, increased user productivity, e- enhanced image and marketability. The technique associated with the green building include measure to prevent erosion of soil, rainwater harvesting, use of solar energy, preparation of landscape to reduce heat, reduction in water use, recycling of wastewater, and use of world-class energy efficient practice. Efficient use of energy, water, and other resources, protecting occupant health and improving employee productivity, reducing waste pollution and environmental degradation. Some of the key features are proper site selection. Site selection is crucial for many reasons. It is important to be close to roads, school, and amenities as it lowers living cost and avoids wasting resources. It should consider the environmental concern, that is, whether there is any destruction of forest, wetlands, agricultural land, proper orientation of housing facilities, natural ventilation, heating or cooling, and thus energy consumption for these processes can be reduced. Also, the possibility for harvesting sunlight must be also be utilized in order to use it for natural lighting, heating, or electrification. Structural design efficiency. In the design phase of building, it is very important to consider life cycle of materials used. Each building material and its effect on occupant, resources, and the environment must be checked properly. Materials harmful to the environment must be avoided and alternative must be used creatively. The building design should be provided natural means of ventilation, maximum natural lighting, utilization of solar energy, etc. It should be a priority for the beginning of the installation and maintaining throughout the entire process. During the construction, building materials and processes must have low energy consumption. During operation, if windows and the ventilation are properly placed, the energy required for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning (HVAC) can be minimized. And water efficiency. Reduction in water consumption and protecting water quality are equally important. In green building, both these requirements must be addressed. Facilities for water collection, treatment, recycling, and reuse are important factors in the implementation of green building. Water harvesting must be done properly to collect fresh water available from nature. An ultra low flush toilet, which is used as a little as little as 6 liters of water per flush op- as opposed to 13 to 15 liter in conventional flush tanks, and low flow shower heads are example of water conserving devices in green building. Material efficiency. Construction construction materials for green building include lumber, bamboo, straw, and recycled stone and recycled metals. It is expected that materials for green building are non-toxic, reusable, renewable, and recyclable. Indoor environment quality enhancement. The three important parameters coming under these objectives are indoor air quality, thermal quality, and lighting quality. In indoor air quality, the main issue include the reduction of volatile organic components and moisture, which can cause bad odor and toxic emission and presence of bacteria. The HVAC system should be used. The building design and materials to naturally regulate the indoor environment whenever possible. Operation and maintenance of optimization. Even if the building design is sustainable, it is the operation and maintenance that keep up the tab. Waste reduction. It is an essential requirement during many phases of the building's life cycle. During the maintenance or demolition of the building, it should not have much waste other than those suitable for recycling. This part of is crucial because in many countries the major component of landfills are construction material. Efficient treat water waste are biodegradable while generating energy from it. The green building material for building. The green building material, also called as eco-friendly material, are those which are locally produced, sourced, or recycled. They are building construction material that have a low environment impact. They are composed of renewable resources rather than non-renewable resources. These have to natural these have to be natural and will not be spoiled by heat, humidity, or cold. Materials having lower CO2 emission, reduced transportation cost, lower environmental impact, efficiency, less energy, and financial viability.
So, green materials for building construction are earthen metals, wood, bamboo, insulated concrete forms, wood, straw bale, earth bags, slate, stone, roofing, steel. So, first one is earthen materials, which is wood. Earthen materials like adobe, cob, and rammed earth are being used for construction purposes to increase the good strength and durability. Chopped straw, grass, and other fibrous materials are added to earthen metal. Wood is one of the most common building materials used around the world. This wastage can also be used to make structural parts like wall, boards, doors, etc. in form of engineered wood. Next one is bamboo. Bamboo is one of the most famous used multi-purpose and durable material which is used in construction. These tree grows faster irrespective of climate changes, so it makes it economical as well. They can be used to construct frames or supports wall, floors, etc. They provide a good appearance to the structure. Slate is naturally formed rock which is used to make tiles. Slate tiles have high durability and these are used as roofing materials. Slate roofing is preferred when it's locally or cheaply available. Concrete forms. Earth bag or sand bags are used to construct wall of the structure. These type of a structure can be seen in military bases near bank of resources, etc. Generally, bags can made of burlap are recommended, but they may not very easily, and hence polypropylene bags are used nowadays. Insulated concrete forms contain two insulation layer with some space in between them. These space contain some arrangement for holding reinforcement bar. After placing reinforcement concrete poured into the space, the lightweight for the lightweight, fire resistant, low dense, and have a good thermal and sound illustration properties. Resource efficiency. So it means using the earth limited resources in sustainable manner while minimizing the impact on the environment. Recycled content, the total percentage of the covered materials in a product including pre-consumer and post-consumer materials. Renewable energy driven from nature sources. Efficient manufacturing process create product with the lowest possible cost, etc., and local availability and easily recyclable. Then second one is energy conservation. Energy conservation is decision and practice of sewing less energy. Water conservation. Water conservation is the practice of using water efficiently to reduce unnecessary water uses. Indoor environmental quality, moisture resistant, minimal emission, healthy cleaning or maintenance. Cost efficiency, installation, maintenance, and within a specification of project budget. Then energy efficient green building concept is followed by many construction firms. In order to fix the standards, several criteria are considered important, and based on these ratings are provided for Green buildings. The primary rating system are GRIHA, Green Rating for Integrated Habitat Assignment, and LEED, Leadership and Energy and Development Design. So GRIHA rating. This rating helps. This rating system has 34 criteria, out of which 8 are mandatory, 4 are partly mandatory, and other are optional. Based on the compliance to these criteria, points are fixed. The maximum score is 100. Based on point obtained, there will be star rating ranging from 1 to 5. Steps for rating process are submission of online application, submission of detailed regarding the building, documentation and sustainability. The claims must be alongside. The project is evaluated using the three-tier system. Primary inspection by GRIHA team will be conducted, and they will validate the details. GRIH will be study the evaluation report, and same will be sent to expert relevant field. These experts will evaluate the criteria independently and assign points. Based on the suggestion, the client will give extra time for one or few months for making necessary modification. After modification are carried out, the above procedure is repeated. The final points are fixed, and based on the score obtained, the rating will be awarded. The Confederation of Indian Industries, formed by IGBC in 2001. IGBC has its office in Sorabachi Godrej Green Business Center, which is itself with a LEED certified green building. Now IGBC has license authority for LEED certified buildings in India. The five properties of LEED India are sustainable site development, water saving, energy saving, material selection, indoor environmental quality. So the procedure for lead rating system are organizations seeking certificates should register through IGBC website. These provide access to required documents, templates, important communication, and other necessary information. After the preliminary submission, a third party assignment will take place. Within 30 days, receiver comments will be provided. The form must be provided whatever clarification are sought, and other review followed by a site visit in is conducted within 30 days. The rating will be awarded on the basis of this. Thank you.